Hello guys, in this video, we'll be guiding you through a comparison between Gauth and Photomath. Both of these apps offer solutions to math problems, but they differ in their approach, features, and user experience. So stick around to the end to get all the bits. And starting with Gauth. Now, Gauth is more than a traditional problem-solving platform. It goes further into offering a more comprehensive learning experience compared to other services like this. It combines the power of AI with human expertise to provide personalized tutoring and guidance. With GauthMoth, you have the scan and solve feature, which can help you quickly scan math problems with your device camera and get instant solutions. And more than that, you also get a step-by-step explanation. This will help you to understand the underlying concepts with detailed step-by-step explanations for each problem. And if you'd like real-time tutoring, you can connect with live tutors for personalized assistance, clarify doubts. You can also reinforce your learning with a variety of practice problems and quizzes. With GauthMoth, you can receive tailored learning plans based on your specific needs and learning style. And with interactive learning tools, you can make simulations to make learning more fun and effective. You also have a community forum which you can connect with other learners, share knowledge, and discuss math problems. Bothmath also has other featured services such as PDF Helper, Writing Helper, and other resources. So it's not just about math, it also helps students on other subjects, such as chemistry, biology, business, social science, and more. And now we'd like to talk about Photomath. This is a reliable math solver and has been a popular choice for students for several years. Its primary function is to solve math problems by scanning them with your device's camera. Once the problem is recognized, Photomath provides step-by-step solutions, making it a valuable tool for understanding the underlying concepts. Some of the features include, as we've mentioned before, a camera-based problem-solving solution. By simply pointing your camera at a math problem, Photomath will help you provide a solution. It also provides step-by-step explanations, and each of the steps is broken down and explained in a concise and brief fashion. It also has a wide range of topics from basic arithmetic to advanced calculus. You can access solutions and tutorials even without an internet connection. And to help you understand things side by side, we have a feature table where we're going to analyze Gauthmath and Photomath respectively. Gauthmath is a problem-solving and tutoring service. On the other hand, Photomath is primarily for problem-solving. So when it comes to the user interface, we can say that Gauthmath is minimalistic. Photomath, on the other hand, is visually appealing. However, both of them can be considered user-friendly. And when it comes to the step-by-step explanations, Gauthmath is detailed and interactive. On the other hand, Photomath is clear and concise. Then when it comes to AI generation, Gauthmath has advanced AI for problem solving and tutoring. Photomath has limited AI capabilities. And if you're interested in community features, Gauthmath has an active community forum for discussions, and Photomath has limited community interaction. In summary, both Gauthmath and Photomath are powerful tools that can significantly enhance your math learning experience. However, Gauthmath's advanced AI capabilities and personal tutoring make it a more versatile and comprehensive option. If you're looking for a reliable problem-solving tool, Photomath is a great choice. But if you desire a deeper understanding of math concepts and personalized guidance, Gauthmath is the way to go. In the end, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. You need to consider your learning style, the complexity of your math problems, which you may encounter, and the level of support you may require. With the features, the pros and cons, you can select the service that best aligns with your goals. So which of these options best suit your needs? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.